Southwest 554, emergency aircraft, we're returning.
You guys have smoke coming out of one of your engines.
Southwest 554 and airport's off the left wing. Do you still have it in sight?
We do have the airport sight, Southwest 554.
Southwest 554, you cleared visual approach runway 11, clear to land. Do you need emergency vehicle?
We need everything you have, cleared the visual, cleared to land 11, Southwest 554.
Southwest 554, be advised we do have emergency vehicles waiting for you on the ground.
554, we're on the list and checklist.
Right, take your time.
And Southwest 554, we had a burst strike, we lost the number one engine. We do need emergency equipment.
Southwest 554, and when able, if able, advise souls on board and fuel remaining.
168 people on board. Southwest 4, stopping on the runway.
Southwest 554, you can take all the time you need on the runway.
Southwest 554, need a crash rescue to check out the number one engine, catastrophic damage.